are about to head out for the day. Today we plan to go up to the Upper Peninsula, the UP, across the bridge back there. You can see that. And visit one of the Michigan parks that has some beautiful falls. It's Tahquamenon, I believe. I may not be saying that right, but we'll put it right there. So we're gonna try to see the Upper Falls today. It's a really, really short hike apparently from what I've seen. And then we'll see how we feel and how much energy Evan has after that and decide if we're gonna take the longer hike to the lower falls. So yeah, we're just about to load up into the truck to head out and start our day. So hope you join us.
Hello everyone, we're on the road in the Upper Peninsula.
7, 8,
Where are we headed?
Tahquamenon Falls.
Yeah, what she said. I can't say it. Yeah.
What you said?
We hopped off the interstate to get a splash of gas, and it takes about 8 miles to get to the gas station. So, but it's a real cool town called St. Ignace. All these little towns up here are so awesome.
Quaint little town.
Yeah. Well, they've been here forever, so
And
they're all port towns pretty much.
There's Shepler's Ferry. I think that's the one we took.
Yep.
Yeah. Goes over to the island from here. So overnight.
Overnight.
I guess if you're gonna stay on the island.
Stay on the island.
Yeah. Which I see why you would want to stay on the island. There's so much to do. We couldn't get it all done in one day. And we were hurt the day after.
We tried to cram too much in one
We
day.
tried, but it's a lot. So, but beautiful.
Just lesson learned. Next time we come back, we'll probably spend 2 weeks instead of a week. And we may even try to book a room on the island
For a night or two.
for a night or two. That would give us more time on the island instead of traveling back and forth to and from.
It really didn't take that long to ride the ferry. It was only about a 15-minute ferry ride each way, but
it's pretty quick. I just think it would be cool to stay on there.
yeah, you have to leave by the time the last ferry goes across. So
Yeah, your time is limited. You're on the clock.
yeah.
And I'm sure things really calm down after hours when the last ferry leaves. I'm sure it's a lot more laid back.
Hey, Evan. Are you having a great time? You like Michigan?
Yep.
Me too.
What's your favorite part so far?
On a boat.
On the boat? Yeah, the ferry.
Yeah,
Like,
Yeah.
you like the big arch rock too, didn't you? Yeah.
We're here at the Upper Falls, Tahquamenon or Tahquamenon Falls.
Little waterfall.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a waterfall. We'll just use his language here. It's a waterfall.
It's a waterfall.
It just happened to work out this
A
way,
waterfall.
but the shoulder season starts right after Labor Day up here. We came up the day after Labor Day. So the crowds are at a minimum the day after Labor Day.
1 o'clock if you arrive, you went out there.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. So shoulder season is the way to go, evidently.
Right
Here we go.
Gorgeous.
Let's see the waterfall.
You see it?
Yeah, right there. I see some dirt. You
Yeah.
see some?
Yeah, it's kind of a rusty colored water, isn't it? I wish this was smell-o-vision. The air here is so clear, you can smell the pines and water. There's no other smell like it. All the pine candles in the world can't capture this smell. We're headed back up the how many 94 steps? 94 steps. Better watch it. The raptors are going to come out of those bushes after you.
It does feel like Jurassic Park, doesn't it? Is there a dinosaur chasing you?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Here we are at the parking lot of the Lower Falls.
Come on, baby. I hear it. Can you hear it? Oh, there's the trail that goes over our views of the bridge.
Oh, snap. There's the bridge. Way over yonder. That's what he does to me every time I try to put him down. That's going on YouTube right there. Come on. You're gonna ride my back on the way up, you better come on. Yeah, come on. Well, I hope you enjoyed our latest video. The footage of Tahquamenon Falls doesn't do it justice. It was a really beautiful place. We really appreciate you watching our videos. I hope you enjoy them as much as we enjoy making them for you. If you would, please hit that like and subscribe button, and that'll keep us on the road longer to bring you more footage. If you would, please go check out our new merchandise site. You can get hats and t-shirts and sweatshirts. We'll leave it in a link below. You can just go down below and click the link. And just to give you a clue to where we might be headed next, it's going to be a fun time. I know Evan and I really enjoyed it. We might go up in a rocket ship together. Stay tuned, and please come back, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy our videos. If we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, safe travels, and happy camping.